So I'm gonna keep this video sweet and short and show you guys how to get more sales on Etsy today with almost no effort. Now, a couple of these strategies only take one click of a button to get you more views on your Etsy store, but at the end of the day, they all get you views in different ways, and I think that you should take advantage of these kind of strategies that I'm going to show you today. So let's just get right into it. All right, guys, so I'm just going to show you a couple of things you could do right on your listing page. Now, this isn't my actual account. This is just a account I used for a past video on Etsy, and it's just kind of an example account. So first things first, you want to make sure you have a good title. Now, a way you can do this is through ChatGPT. A lot of people know about this, but you can also just kind of look at other Etsy listings. So what I mean by this is look at what's selling, look at their listings, and see what keywords they're using and how you can implement some of those keywords into your own title. And then I see this lunchbox right here that's getting, you know, 24K views. And obviously this is gonna get me more views if I use a couple of their keywords.
Come on, guys.
So personal lunchbox totes, cute holiday gift lunchbox, Christmas gift for coworkers, personalized. But the example with ChatGPT I was going to show is how you can actually insert your title that you've made. Maybe it's only a couple of keywords. Say, make this title longer with good keywords. Although it may not be 100% accurate, things like this will definitely help. And premium portable lunchbox with insulation lining, keep your food fresh and delicious. So as you can see, it's just using good keywords. Now, once again, you would want to edit it a little bit. Just certain keywords, and that will increase your views literally within hours, just your title alone. Now, let's get to the description. This is actually a very important part of your listing as well.
God did. God did.
Since these are going to be kind of showing in, as you can see right here, Google search. So basically the description is super important. It's going to be showing the description of your product if your product is searched for on Google. So you could do the same thing. Come over here to this listing and look at the description. As you can see, they have a massive description, but it just exactly shows what the product is, and it uses a bunch of keywords in this description as well. So you could copy this description and you can rephrase it, or you can just put it right back into ChatGPT like that and just say that at the end so that it's separate. Looking for ideal holiday present. So right away, it's literally like rewording it, and now you don't feel like as bad since you're using a different description. Like kind of read over the description it made you and just make sure that it actually looks good and uses some of those keywords that they gave you on ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna get to one of the most important tips in this video. This will increase your views literally instantly. You might see views within 10 minutes, and that is tags. You know, it says optional, but tags are insanely important, and these tags kind of make it so that if people search these keywords, then your listing will pop up and they can see your listing much more often than not. It's only literally 13 tags, and all you have to do is maybe look at this over here, and you can come to the search bar like this and search up lunch, and then look at these words that come up and put these in your tags. Okay, this is essential. No one is telling you these secrets. Literally just do that. Put lunch and then look what searches up, maybe the top 5 ones, and these are all just keywords. It's super simple, but also this will give you an idea of what to sell. Now after you did that and you get a couple of keywords, make sure you have the 13 best keywords, and once again you can use ChatGPT. I'm telling you guys, take advantage of this AI. It is, you know, only getting better as time comes. So you could literally just say that and it's gonna give you 13 keywords exactly like this. Now look how insane that is. Now these are honestly some of the best keywords for Etsy and for your selling. So now I wanna get on to the fourth way, and this way is actually pretty easy as well. What you can do is post your story on TikTok. Now hundreds, thousands of people are doing this and making thousands to tens of thousands of dollars posting TikToks on their Etsy store. And boom, 110K views, 1.6 million, 1.5 million. 436K views, and these are people promoting their listings. So this person right here promoting their stickers that they sell. Right over here, Etsy shops I'm obsessed with. You can pay her to advertise yours if you want to, but I would just say, you know, advertise your cups right here, like this lady. She's literally drop shipping these. Yeah, she bought a printer, she buys the cup, maybe costs her $2. You go to her account and boom, she has her Etsy store right here. So I mean, as you can see, it's just super simple to kind of find. Damn, she's selling it for $100.
I love the game. I love the hustle, man.
be feeling like one of them balls.
Maybe you might have to look into that because she's definitely like, she's eating premium Pokeballs. Oh my God. And now make sure you guys also add variations, personalization, and all the stuff down here. I mean, this is just basic stuff. I'll have a video pop up somewhere around here how you can set up your Etsy listing so that it gets more sales right as you list it. But these tips I'm giving you right now weren't in that video, so I thought I'd just make a follow-up. And now the last tip I'm giving you guys, the 5th tip. Oh my God, this tip, literally, this is a blessing from me. You guys better thank me, but it is buying ads on Etsy. So I know that you may not want to buy ads on Etsy, but I feel like this is a great way to get your listing started. Now it's kind of like Amazon. If you guys don't know about Amazon selling, basically your first couple of sales are going to be super hard if you're in a very competitive niche. So if you search up Lunchbox, these show up and these actually have no listing, reviews, or buys yet. And as you can see, it says ad by Etsy sellers. So honestly, almost 90–80% of buyers are gonna press on these listings right here. You know, you search it up and you see these listings, you're gonna press on this. But those 10% buyers that just scroll down are gonna probably press on these right here. Now, as you can see, these have ads. And when you're first starting, you wanna make sure that you are kind of buying ads so that you can actually get views. And once you start to get traction, maybe get at least 10 sales and maybe 5 reviews, then you don't need to buy ads, or you can just lower your ad costs. So a good example is if you scroll down right here, this person only has 3 views, but their thing is already getting shown all the way up here. So as you can see, you only need like 3 reviews on your product and it should start getting recommended to more people. Now this way might take a little longer, and also it does cost a little bit of money. It's probably only around like $10 to get a sale. But if you have good profit margins, advertising should not be a problem at all. So I know that was a massive rant on how you guys can get more sales and become rich on Etsy. I'm sorry, sue me, don't actually. But make sure you guys like the video. Also, check out my new course on where I show you how to drop ship and how you can make up to 6 figures drop shipping.